As a high school math teacher here in Allendale Fairfax High School, I believe that I can strengthen and improve the teaching profession by arriving in school every day with the desire to impact students and share positive mindset to the school community. Since I have an opportunity to see young minds developing and the honor to prepare them for a future filled with success, I need to make myself accountable for this responsibility. I always reflect on myself. Did I provide the fundamental building blocks needed for success in every lesson I taught? Did I provide the opportunity for the students to think critically and creatively? Did I make the lesson meaningful for my students' lives and needs? Did I make myself open and trustworthy for my students? By making myself accountable, I believe that I am also fostering a continuation of accountability to my students and colleagues. Also, having the growth mindset is also important. That is why attending professional developments and having online courses is part of my yearly goals. Currently, I am enrolled in an online course offered by Harvard University entitled Introduction to DataWise, a collaboration process to improve learning and teaching. I am amazed and surprised of the step-by-step process of dealing or reading data to improve the learning and teaching. That I honestly think in real data talk or data meeting, some steps were skipped and overlooked. I can't wait to finish the course and share it with the team and collaborate with them. I believe that if you have a growth mindset and you work collaboratively with a team, this growth mindset can be passed on and shared with them as well. Moreover, I also build a supportive culture with my colleagues. I believe that uplifting and empowering each other creates a more enjoyable and fulfilling work environment. Allendale County School District is the best place to teach because it is challenging yet very fulfilling at the same time. As an international teacher having experiences from a private high school, university, and international schools, I spent my 11 years of teaching thinking that I am a great teacher because I always have an excellent rating in faculty evaluation, very good results in Cambridge exams, and having lots of thank you letters every end of school year. During my first year here in Allendale, I was in survival mode. I was slapped by the reality that I am still lacking with many things and needs to learn a lot about giving specific instructions and classroom management. It made me realize that most of my good results before is because my students were already dedicated to learning. I just need to deliver the content to them. Now the challenge is how to impart the content, engage them, and make it meaningful to them. The induction program and professional developments in school helped me in having a better and deeper understanding of the students and the system. With the new knowledge, learning experience, and very supportive admins, I was able to enjoy and made an improvement on my second and third year of teaching here in Allendale. These are also the years that I made special connections to some of my students, and it felt different from my students before. It is giving a different sense of fulfillment because I didn't only impart my content to them, but also guided them about decision making and shared about my culture that made them understand and respect diversity, appreciate their privileges, and open their interest and curiosity that also gives a different level of connection between us. This year, even the district people together with the admins provided me support by doing mentoring program with my grade 9 students. I also have Mr. Diwakar, who is the special education teacher, working with me side by side and provided extra support for students with special needs. Overall, here in Allendale County School District, we have innovative and hardworking district personnel, welcoming and supportive administrators, dedicated and dependable colleagues, and longing yet promising students that will holistically mold a surviving teacher into a Teacher of the Year.